Similarly, the statement of Constable Zungu was not there. You only obtained it last year, 2023.
Yes, my lord, and I gave reasons as to what happened, my lord. I've testified about this.
Yebo ke naso statement sikaZungu sasingekho lapho sitholakala kunyaka ondlule ngishilo ke nezathu ukuthi ke kungani kwenzeka kanjalo.
Is it correct, Brigadier, that you testified that you could not find any communication amongst the accused in terms of the Section 205 records for the year 2014? There was no communication.
No, so it is twofold, my lord.
Right.
Initially, like I said, the 205s that we had were starting after the incident.
Yes.
And I don't think there was communication insofar as my recollection is concerned from, and I stand under correction here, my lord. But I think but even the ones that we found, my lord, to say there was no communication, I think the expert, if I recall, may have found some of it, but it's out of the date of the commission of this offense.
Yes.
But the ones that were found by Pinky, Miss Vettilingham, my lord, I think I seem to recall that Lieutenant Colonel Host seemed to have said he may have found a link or communication amongst the accused, but that's what I recall, my lord.
Engikhumbulayo kumbuzo uthi ke kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi ke abukho ukuxhumana okwathola ke phakathi kwabo abasolwa ke isikhathi sika 2014 yebo ke okwatholakala ke kwakusemuva ke kwesigameko lesi kwakunye futhi ke naloko okwathola uyena ke uMsipinki Vettilingham ngicabanga ukuthi naye ku Lieutenant Colonel Host ushilo ukuthi ke khona ukuxhumana ayekutholile noma ke akuthola phakathi kwabo ke abasolwa.
Is it also correct, Brigadier, that you could not find any communication between my client, Mr. Mapisa, and Ms. Kelly Kumar in any records or investigations that you conducted?
Yes, no, we did not find those, my lord.
Yebo akukuxhumana okwatholakala ke phakathi kwakhe ke umsolwa wesine uMapisa kanye noMs Kelly Kumar.
Is it also correct, Brigadier, that you did not find any communication between accused number 3 and Ms. Kelly Kumar in your investigations in terms of Section 205s or otherwise?
Yes, I don't think, my lord, we found communication, but I think there is a link. From what I was briefed, my lord, there were linkages.
Yebo ukuthi kona ke kukhona ukuxhumana kwatholakala phakathi komsolo wesithathu noMs Kelly Kumar yebo kuyiqiniso ukuthi akuzange kutholakala kodwa ke kwakukhona ke lokuphihlelezwe ama link noma ke okuhlanganisayo okwatholakala.
What linkages? You mean the transparent money bag?
No, my lord. I think we went through this exercise. I spoke about the bag, which appears in 3 devices.
Yes.
Then I spoke to the exhibit. I think it's Exhibit O. We dealt with it in this court where
Linkages.
Yes, because that's the briefing I got from the expert, and that is how it is contained in the statement, that linkages between target. Ms. Kelly Kumar is on top, and then the accused 3 also's name appeared there, my lord. That's the briefing I got.
Mina ke uma ngibriefa ke noma ngitshelwa ke sikhulumile ngabo ke lana kwenkantolo Exhibit O futhi ke ngikhulumile ke ngalamasaka ke la abonakalayo ke noma ubonayo ngaphakathi khona ke kanye futhi kuma ngibriefa ke ngitshela ke ukuthi ke okuhlanganisa bakabeka yena ke Ms. Kelly Kumar phezulu ke kanye nomsolo.
Linkages between accused number 3 and Ms. Kelly Kumar, besides the money bag.
My lord,
in Exhibit 01.
My lord, I think that was displayed on the screen. It's in page 41 to be precise. I read it. It's boldly written on top, linkages between targets. Ms. Kelly Kumar is on top, and then it goes down. Accused 5 also appears, accused 3 appears, and other names, my lord. We dealt with that part.
Lokho sikhulumile ngakho ke kwatshengiswa ke khona lana ke enkantolo kubhaliwe ke phezulu uMs Kelly Kumar base kubhalwa ke basola uyavela ke lapho umsola wesithathu umsola wesithathu kanye namanye ke amagama ayavela.
Linkages. Brigadier, do you have Exhibit 01?
No,
Can you show us those linkages?
No, my lord.
No, it's for purposes of my cross-examination. I understand that my colleague advocate Nesi did touch on this, but I want you to show me the linkages that you talk about.
All right, so I think we can display it because we displayed it on the screen, then we can go through it, my lord.
I'm just surprised, Brigadier, that you are able to analyze the linkages because my understanding is that you could not analyze them. You did not know what was there.
Yeah, but my lord, this is now incorrectly put. I didn't say I'm an analyst. I was asked as to whether there is communication between accused 3 and Ms. Kelly Kumar, and I said there is no communication. And I was asked that other than the see-through bag money, anything else. This is what I'm relying on, what I was briefed by the expert. And I said I was informed that there were linkages. Because this aspect, my lord, it needs to be noted that as much as I'm not an expert, but they gather evidence, then they brief me because I need to be briefed. Otherwise, how will I conduct the investigation? So I was briefed insofar as being told that there were linkages, but I'm not an expert to interpret those linkages. And then I was shown an affidavit, which was filed in the docket. And in this paragraph, my lord, in this page 47, on top, my lord, if you can go down, Doc. If you can go up, on top, my lord, just before this. There it starts, links between targets, my lord. That's where it starts. And the first person on top is Ms. Kelly Kumar. The cell phone number is depicted. The next person, if you can go down there, it's accused number 5. Here. It's accused number 5. Then if you go to what's your right, here's accused number 3. And and Cleveland Pest 96 of 2 2015 is depicted. The cell phone device that was seized from him, my lord, is depicted. If you go further down, again, accused 3 is depicted, and then it's even written F. Carlos, and then something like an ID number is also depicted there, my lord. So this is the diagram when I was talking about the link that is contained in Colonel Stein's affidavit.
Ikona lokho bengikhuluma ngakho ke mangikhuluma ngama-links ke kwi-affidavit yakhe ke uKenneth Stein ngoba phezulu bekubhaliwe uMiss Kelly Khumalo igama elilandelayo kubhalwa umsola wesihlanu uma uya ngako-right kubhaliwe igama lakhe umsola wesithathu uma uphinde uye ezansi igama lakhe umsola wesithathu kwaze kwabhalwa Ed Carlos kanye futhi-ke ne-ID number. Ikona lokho ebengikhuluma ngakho uma ngithi-ke uKenneth Stein okuyena-ke umcwaningi wangibriefa-ke noma-ke wangitshela-ke ukuthi-ke kwenzekani-ke ngoba uma bengakwenzileke lokho bengizolenza kanjani uphenyo lwami.
Brigadier, those are not, if it's communication, Brigadier, because it is summarized as my colleague Advocate Nisi went through this. I'm not going to go back there again, but we'll leave this for argument. There is no communication between Miss Kelly Khumalo and accused number 3 at any given point on the 26th of October 2014.
My lord, I think we're saying the same thing. I'm not so sure where do we differ. I never said there's a communication. Where I said there is a communication in terms of the briefing is in relation to accused number 5. And I indicated that the brief, and it's contained in the affidavit, I was told about 2 calls specifically. Insofar as accused number 3, it's links. That's what I've said, my lord, and that's what paragraph 41 or page 41 indicates that there are links. So I don't see where we differ because I'm not talking about communication, I'm talking about links. And that's what the statement says, my lord.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sikhuluma into eyodwa kangaze ngisho ukuthi wakhona-ke ukuxhumana noma-ke ama-communication kodwa ngikhulume-ke ngawo ama-links noma-ke ukuhlanganisayo-ke uma sikhuluma-ke ngawo ama-communication noma-ke ukuxhumana nanje babe ngishilo-ke ukuthi akhulume ngabo uKenneth Stein ukhulume-ke ne-communication noma ukuxhumana phakathi kwakhe-ke uMiss Kelly Khumalo kanye naye umsolwa wesihlanu kodwa-ke la sikhuluma ngokuthi-ke yini okubahlanganisayo hhayi ukuxhumana.
To be specific, Brigadier, when one looks at exhibit, my lord, exhibit DD5F Roman figure 1, that is the section 205 records of accused number 3. To be specific, the records of the 26th of October 2014 in respect of accused number 3, they start at page 10 of 184. That is now the records. The communication on the 26th of October 2014 starts at 7 hours 12 minutes 58 seconds on the 26th of October 2014 and end on the 26th of October 2014 at 2000 hours 32 minutes 57 seconds. So on the 26th of October 2014, when one is using exhibit DD5F Roman figure 1, there is no communication between Miss Kelly Khumalo and accused number 3. Do you confirm that, Brigadier?
My lord, I didn't get a briefing. I'm not a cell phone expert. I need to go back to that. But secondly, I did not get a briefing from any of the experts that there is a communication, as I've said earlier, between accused number 3 and Miss Kelly Khumalo. Whether it's the 26th or any other date, there was no such communication or report given to me. The only communication information that was given to me is in relation to accused number 5 and Miss Kelly Khumalo. That applies to other accused, my lord. None of the accused, I didn't receive a report where it is said Miss Kelly Khumalo communicated with accused 1 up to 4. The only accused that was linked in that regard is accused 5, my lord.
Lana-ke angikaze-ke ngithole umbiko okokuqala ngisho nje ukuthi angisiyena-ke ungozi noma uchwepheshe-ke kuwona-ke noma-ke lokho kuhlangene nawo kama-cellphone kodwa-ke angitholanga umbiko noma-ke kukhulunywe nami kushiwo-ke kumina yilabo abasebenzayo lapho-ke nabongoti-ke ukuthi kwakhona ukuxhumana kwakukhona phakathi komsolo wesithathu kanye noMiss Kelly Khumalo. Engakuthola ukuthi yebo kwakukhona ukuxhumana phakathi kwakhe-ke uKelly Khumalo kanye naye umsolo wesithathu. Kuyafana-ke nabanye abasolwa kusukela ku-number 1 kuyofika-ke ku-number 4 akukho engakuthola noma engakutshelwa ukuthi kwakukhona ukuxhumana phakathi kwabo kanye noMiss Kelly Khumalo.
My lord, may I have an indulgence? I just want to approach Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4. Thank you. Thank you, my lord, for the court's indulgence. But I will come back to this exhibit. Exhibit DD5 F Roman figure 1. I'll take you to exhibit DD5, capital letter B in bracket.
I do not have that exhibit, my lord. If I can.
Sorry, my lord, I'm still seeking assistance from the state to get the exhibit for the witness. This one. Do you have it, Brigadier? It's paragraph 8.2.4 of exhibit DT5 from capital letter B in brackets.
Paragraph 8.2.4.
Yes.
Yes, I've got paragraph 8.2.4, my lord.
Yes, thank you. It's analysis by Colonel Gous. Brigadier, my client, accused number 4, does not deny such communication, as depicted in paragraph 8.2.4. He admits that he had had contacts with accused number 1, Mzwa Ukulelwa Stemba Spear, using the number 2771395380 to the contact number of accused number 1, 27793790137 14 times. It was 12 outgoing calls and 2 call forward between the period 22 July 2018 to 19 February 2020.
Umsola wesine akaphikisike ukuthi ke yabe impela ke waxhumana ke naye umsola wokuqala yena ke umsola wesine usebenzisa inumber 27713953801 exhumana naye ke umuzi kaUkhulelwa Sithemba Sibiya umsola wokuqala esebenzisa inumber 27793790137 amahlandla awu14 phakathi ke kwe22 July 2018 ne19 February 2020.
I understand, my lord.
Ngiyezwa.
He further admits that using that number, which I've just read to the record, but it denies that when he called accused number or communicated with accused number 5, he never communicated with accused number 5 using the number 2771-595-1239 127 times between the period 29 September 2018 to 29 October 2020. The number ending 239 belonged to Lungisani Ndwando.
Yeah, my lord, I think, like I said, I'm not an expert. I think Colonel Gous was best vested with this, with him explaining this part, my lord. I did not do this analysis. I don't have the expertise. I can only see what is contained here, my lord.
Kodwa ke uyaphikisa ke ukuthi yena ke waxhumana ke nomsolo ke wesihlanu esebenzisa umsolo wesihlanu esebenzisa inumber 27715951239 amahlandla awu127 phakathi kwe29 September 2018 ne28 August 2020 uthi leya number leyana u27715951239 yayisetshenziswa is that the name akuleqhumala
Lungisani Ndwando.
Lungisani mina ke umuntu ongaphendula ke noma ke ongakhuluma ngaloku uLieutenant Colonel Gous mina ke angisiyena ungoti kuloko ngiyakubona nje ubhaliwe la kodwa akusona ke umsebenzi owenziwa yimina lo.
I'm sorry, my lord, may I also take one instruction? Thank you. you, my lord, for the court's indulgence. Thank you. He further admits, Brigadier, that him using the number ending 801, he was never in contact with accused number 5, using the number 27825859759 2 times on the 19th of July 2020. That number does not belong to accused number 5. In fact, he cannot remember now, as we speak, to whom did it belong.
My lord, once more, like I said, the analyst who did this, my lord, and this mapping is Kenneth Host, so I really can't assist in this matter.
Okunye futhi ke uthi ke akaxhumana ke nomsola wesihlanu ke yena ke number 4 esebenzisa inamba egcina ngo801 kule number ewu27825859759 uthi ke leya number amahlandla amabili nge-19 kaJuly 2020 leya number akusiyona ke number kamsola wesihlanu kumanje njena ke akakhumbula ukuthi ke ekabani futhi ke nanje bangishilo ke ngaphambilini ukuthi ke umuntu owenze lokhu noma ke wahlanganisa lokhu uyena uKenneth Host.
In fact,
How does it assist this court? Did you put that to Host?
I'll have to go to the record.
Hello?
I'll have to go to the record.
Yeah, because if you're putting to this witness, doesn't matter.
It doesn't
He
matter.
never compiled that document.
It matters, my lord, to me.
Hello?
It matters to me.
Okay, fine. To you it matters, fine.
Yes, it
But
does.
it's Host who compiled that document.
I'm going somewhere, my lord.
That's why I'm asking you, did you put that to Host?
Yes, there was no dispute about this. There was no
Yeah,
dispute
fine.
about
If you
this.
have put
Yes.
it to Host, fine.
Yes.
I just want to inquire if you did.
Yes.
Because he is
That's-
telling you that he's not an analyst and he never compiled that document.
Does the court says I must stop now?
I never said that.
Okay.
I'm telling you the factual situation about Brigadier saying he can't assist you there because he is not an analyst and he never compiled that document.
Yes, it's
so
fine.
compiled by an affidavit of
Yes,
Host.
yes, it's fine. I'll accept any response from him.
Hello?
I'll accept any response from him.
Any response?
Yes, any
Okay,
response.
fine, no problem.
Yes, no problem. Where was I? Oh, yes. He further admits that he was in contact with accused number 3 using the number ending 801 to accused number 3's number 27829563220 48 times between the period 16 July 2018 to 2 March 2021.
I'm listening, my lord.
Aphinda avumeke ukuthi yebo waxhumana ke nomsola wesithathu yena ke number 4 esebenzisa inamba egcina ngo801 umsola wesithathu esebenzisa u27829563220 amahlandla awu48 phakathi kwe16 July 2018 ne2 March 2021 ngilalele.
Before I proceed, my lord, may I approach accused number 1? Lastly, he admits his number ending 801, but he was not in contact with accused number 1 on one occasion, on the 19th of February 2020.
My lord, once again, the author and the person who did this mapping is Lieutenant Kenneth Host. I can't really assist with that mistake.
Uthi ke akavumelani ke nokuthi ke waxhumana ke naye umsola wokuqala ihlandla elilodwa ke nge-19 kaFebruary 2020 ngiyaphinda ke futhi ngithi ke umuntu owabhala lokho uLieutenant Kenneth Host.
From your investigations, Brigadier, did you find any communication between my client, accused number 4, and accused number 2, Mr. Ndans?
No, my lord, the people who analyzed is Kenneth Host and Kenneth Stein. So I can't interpret that document. I think whatever they wrote and whatever they found, my lord, they are best vested in that. Because by the time I got involved, accused 4 was detained, was convicted, was serving a sentence, my lord, and accused 2, we've testified about it, him being arrested on the 16th of June 2020, my lord. So they were separated.
Ungabe khona yini kuphenyo lakho uxhumana wakuthola ke phakathi komsola wesine kanye nowesibili ke abantu ke abahlanganisa ke lokho ke lembiko ke uyena Lieutenant Kenneth Host no Lieutenant Kenneth Stein ibona ke abantu abasengakuphendula ke lokho futhi ngenkathi ke mina ke sebenza ngalo noma ngiqala usebenza ngalo icala leli ke umsola wesine yena ke wayese egwetshwe noma lahle icala ke egwetshwe ke umsola wesibili yena ke eboshwe ngo2020.
There was no communication, for your information, Brigadier, that was found. The communication between accused number 4 and accused number 2 before court. At any given time from 2014 to when Colonel Stein, Colonel House came on board to analyze whatever.
Yeah, my lord, I was not here when they testified, and like I said, I really can't. I don't know how to assist with that, my lord. I'm not an analyst, so it's a difficult situation.
Ngangekho ke uma uKenneth Stein noKenneth House bethu ubufakazi babo ke angisiyenaka umcwaningi manje ke kunzima ukuthi ngingalekelela noma ngasiza.
Lastly, on this aspect, Brigadier, there was no communication that was found amongst the accused in 2014.
I don't know, my lord. I think one will really have to see the reports that are there. But like I said, I'm not an analyst. One will have to see what the records of accused number 3 says in relation to other accused, the one that refers to 2014, my lord. So, but from the top of my head, my lord, as I said, I'm not an analyst. But if I have to refer to the records, then one will have to look what they say, my lord, insofar as 2014 is concerned.
Akukho ke ukuxhumana kwatholakala kubona ke basola ngo2014 ngishilo kangisiyenaka umcwaningi kodwa kuzofanele umuntu ayobheka ama records akheke umsolo wesithathu kanye futhi ke nabanye.
I don't know if that is correct, because I think according to Exhibit Triple G1, there was communication between accused number 3 and number 5. Just looking for that exhibit. On the 26th of October, there was such communication between accused number 3 and 5.
That's whose evidence, by the way?
The evidence of Ms. Fillingham,
Yeah.
25 Fillingham.
I'm sorry, may I rephrase the question? May I rephrase the question? I'm sorry, Brigadier, may I rephrase the question? In fact, I meant that there was no communication that could be found between my client and the rest of the accused on the 26th of October 2014. That is what I want to clarify.
My lord, like I said, I'm not an expert. I think the experts really, in terms of the data that is available, are the ones who can talk to this factually, my lord.
Ebengifisa ukuthi noma ke bengifuna ukusho ngaphambilini ke bekho ukuthi ke akukho ukuxhumana abatholakala ke noma khona ke phakathi ke ngimela ke umsola kanye ke nabasola ngazo October ka 2014 noma 26 October 2014 mina ngivuma ngishilo ke ukuthi ke aba besebenza ngalokho noma abacwaningi yibona ke aba ngakusho noma bangaphendula ke lokho.
Sorry, when you say there's no communication between your client on the 26th of October and the other accused, what do you intend conveying by that?
Communication, my lord.
Yeah, what are you
Communication.
intending to convey by that assertion?
There was no communication at all
Between
my client and the rest
the
of the
other
accused. Yes.
on the 26th?
By cell phone, my lord. They might have met, but they never communicated on that day.
Yeah, because you put it, let's say number 3, number 4, number 5, they communicated on the 26th of October in a combi.
No.
Okay, fine.
I understand where the court is going.
No,
I'm
fine.
saying
Let's leave it there.
they met. I never
Yes.
changed anything. They did
Communication
meet.
is very broad, sir.
Yes, I understand, my lord.
Very broad.
That is what I was saying, my lord, that by telephone or cell phone, they never communicated. They did communicate. They
Oh,
met,
so
they
they did
talked.
communicate physically.
Yes,
Okay.
my lord, they did communicate physically. They were together. But that is not where I am. I'm at the fact that they never phoned each other using cell phone or cell phones. They were together on the day in question. So I don't want the court to be misinformed. I'm just
This court is
clarifying.
very aware and astute.
But my lord, I never
No. That's why I was
I
making
never
it.
said they never
That's why
met.
I was conveying to you that
Yes.
your defense and assertion is that they were together on the 26th.
That has never changed, my lord.
Yes, fine, no problem. No problem. Mr. Ramsipi, you want to say something?
I'm a bit flabbergasted.
Why?
I may have missed something.
Sure you did.
Accused number 2 being mentioned in the scheme of people that have communicated.
Number 4.
Number
Talking
4.
about number 4.
Okay, so that's number 2 is kept out of this.
No, I never mentioned any.
That's not
In fact,
number
I'm still
4,
coming
sir.
to the versions, my lord. I'm still coming to the version of the accused about what happened on the 26th of October, 2014. But what I was at the fact that they never communicated using cell phone. They were together. I'm going there now. That nothing has changed. May the court bear with me, but there's an exhibit that I'm looking. In fact, my lord, may I request that we adjourn early for lunch because I'm about to go to the version of the accused and it is a bit long. There are various exhibits that I want to use. Thank you.
Sorry, what's the time now?
It's 19 minutes to 1, my lord.
How long is your client's version? An hour.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So you start at 2 and finish at 3.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
2 o'clock.